This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I'm going to take you through adding media to Prism. I'll take you through in the online version, the web version, but most media will be added via the mobile app with audio reports or photos or video. But you can see here under the horse section, under media, there's photos, video and audio files. To add media you can select from up here, or as with everything you can select down here, photo, video or audio. Select the media you want and simply click add. Choose your file, add as many as you want. Make sure you select the right horse when you're doing it from the add anywhere section. If you do it from within the horse, you'll see that the horse is already selected there. You can create an album, so if you want to do a day at the races, you can put it into an album, and you simply click upload. That'll be there, and then that'll get pushed out to your owners. For video, similar sort of process. Add media video. You'll see that in the video you can either upload a video from your computer. So this is just a jockey interview. It's just uploading there. And upload. Or the other thing you can do is, which is unique to Prism, is that you can insert a YouTube or Vimeo link. You just copy the link from here, put it back into there. You can enter titles and descriptions if you want, but simply once you're ready you just upload, and that will play. Again, when that's added, that'll then get sent out to the owners. The other thing you can do is add audio files, which are generally also recorded through the mobile. But if you have an audio file that you want to update, out here.
Morning guys, Troy here with an update on the unencumbered Heart of Thrills filly.
So you can just update that as well, and that will then get sent out to all owners. So yeah, they're the three main things: photos, videos and audio. You can create as many as you want. They can be streamed, they can be stored, you can put them into galleries. And the other thing that is quite unique to Prism, the only one that does this, is you can add multiple media to reports. So you can send out a report with 5 photos and a video, or 1 audio and a photo or video, or whatever the case may be. We don't restrict you in what you can add. So soon in another video I'll show you how reports work and how you can add multiple media to those reports to send to your owners. If you've got any other questions, please email us at support@prism.horse.